What if I told you that one of the greatest geniuses in history could not speak until the age of 4? What if I told you his teachers believed he would never achieve anything? Imagine being told you are slow, lazy, and even hopeless. And yet one day, you change the way humanity understands the universe. This is the story of a boy who grew up surrounded by doubt. Neighbors whispered that something was wrong with him. Teachers dismissed him. Opportunities kept slipping away. But hidden inside this quiet boy was an unshakable curiosity, a mind that would not settle for ordinary answers. As a child, he spoke so late that his parents feared he might never speak at all. When he finally joined school, reading and writing felt like a heavy burden. His classmates moved faster. His teachers were impatient. One even declared, "This boy will never amount to anything." But while the world saw him as slow, inside his mind, something extraordinary was happening. He could spend hours staring at objects, lost in thought. At the age of 5, his father handed him a small compass. The boy became fascinated. Why did the needle always point in the same direction? He could not see any force moving it, and yet it never failed. That little compass became his first window into mysteries far greater than school books. Still, school felt suffocating. Rules, memorization, blind obedience, none of it matched the way his mind worked. Eventually, it became unbearable. He walked away without a clear future. When he finished his studies, rejection followed him. He applied for teaching jobs, but doors kept closing. For 2 long years, he wandered without stable work. Finally, he landed a modest job as a clerk in a patent office. Most would have settled, but not him. He used his spare hours to think, to calculate, to chase the invisible forces of the universe. And then came 1905, the miracle year. In a single year, this young man released 4 scientific papers that shook the foundations of science. He introduced bold ideas about space, time, and energy. At first, the world laughed, but soon the laughter faded, replaced with awe. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, one of his theories was tested and proven true. Overnight, the boy once called stupid and lazy became a global icon. His face was on newspapers around the world. The child who had been dismissed as hopeless was now the man who redefined reality itself. Yes, that boy was Albert Einstein. Einstein's life is one of the greatest turnarounds in history. From a child labeled slow to the most influential scientist of the 20th century, his journey reminds us of 2 timeless truths. Never let labels define you. The world may call you slow, weak, or foolish, but your hidden strength can be greater than anyone imagines. And second, curiosity and persistence are more powerful than talent. It was not instant brilliance, but relentless questioning that made Einstein who he was. So the next time someone doubts you, remember the boy who was once called slow, but grew up to change the universe. If this story inspired you, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more powerful motivational stories that reveal the hidden strength inside every struggle.